Snipers, you have to see what's happening in the Bitcoin price right now as we're halfway through the week and Bitcoin has been maintaining price action above 21,000 US dollars for this new daily candle. Let's dive straight into the charts and talk about what to expect for Bitcoin. It's very clear what's happening right now. Bitcoin is stalling time, having a pit stop at this extremely important support level at 21,000 US dollars. This is where the most volume is inside of this consolidation. If we break below 21,000 US dollars, it really opens up the door for Bitcoin to come back down to test the consolidation lows towards the $17,200 level, which is why this is an extremely important support here at 21,000 US dollars. Bitcoin is having a cup of coffee. You can call it a bear flag potentially. And so we have to continue to monitor the two most important revolving parts right now. The DXY, is it going to continue to break out into new yearly highs, testing this major resistance? Is this a double top? Is this going to form a higher high? What is it going to look like here for the DXY? Or is this continuation to see more strength towards the latter part of this year? I think that's what Bitcoin is waiting on here at 21,000 US dollars. Bitcoin moved to the downside before the S&P 500 did, actually leading the equity markets. And if we look at Ethereum, you can see we're still above 1440. September 19th, we have a major event happening here for Ethereum. Let's monitor the price. If we start to see downside below 1440, it's going to open up the door for Bitcoin to potentially, or Ethereum to potentially test $1,000 again, and for Bitcoin to potentially test its lows. And the reason we are talking about this is the DXY just started to move up. You can see over the last few days, we really started to break out, and now that's causing the S&P 500 to reject this bear market resistance level. This is extremely important to monitor into this week. What I'm watching here, snipers, is this 20-week moving average. Since the S&P 500 is still above it, so long as we stay above it, that's a very positive case for those snipers that have been tuned in. You know, we've talked about that. Ethereum against Bitcoin, very similar to how the S&P 500 is moving, also above its 20-week moving average. There's certainly a correlation there with Ethereum against Bitcoin and the S&P 500. And then lastly, snipers, you know, we love our four-dimensional revolving parts here. And Bitcoin against SPY has been a great four-dimensional revolving part to monitor, because you can see we're going to get the earliest confirmation of this next move using this Bitcoin to SPY chart. If we break new lows, that's the confirmation Bitcoin is potentially going to come down to test the $17,000 support level again. Or if we hold above this, then maybe we don't have anything to really be concerned about. And so the Bitcoin and SPY and the DXY are the two puzzle pieces that we have to monitor this week, as we've been talking about here on the Snipers channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuned into the channel. This was another midnight update brought to you here from Florida. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you guys next time. Snipers out.